The legendary Ferrari 250 GTO, lost for decades, now a relic swallowed by the sands of time. Buried deep within the sand, the corrosion is extensive. Even now, the desert claims its tribute, grain by grain.
The legendary 1962 Ferrari GTO, found rusting deep in the Mojave, begins its long journey towards restoration.
The corrosion on the subframe is extensive here. We need to document the full extent of the structural damage before we proceed.
Restoration begins with meticulous documentation. The calipers reveal the extent of the corrosion on the original exhaust manifolds and brake discs.
This reading confirms the panel thickness is uniform.
Good. I'm checking the headlight bucket alignment now.
A legend reborn.
Here, the team meticulously installs the restored fuel and braking lines, ensuring every fitting is torqued to factory specifications.
Make sure the 77 is perfectly centered before we press down.
It looks good there. Hold it steady.
Panel gaps are perfect here,
Dash alignment is spot on.
and the door closes smoothly. Ready for sign-off.